So this is how you can pair your AirPods Max. Let's get into it. So as you know, the AirPods in general, including the AirPods Max, are designed to be very intuitive. So the setup process is very simple. Essentially, you just want to make sure that the AirPods are charged, and then you need to take them out of the smart case so the connection can be made, right? Once you do this, then if you have never set them up or paired them before, then a pop-up should appear on your iPhone from the bottom telling you that you can connect to your AirPods. You just press connect, and then you set up a few things at the beginning, like a few specific settings for Siri and noise cancellation, and you essentially are done with the setup process. So it is pretty simple that way. If you would like to pair them with a brand new device or someone else, then you can hold down on both of the buttons on the AirPods, like on the digital crown as well as the longer button, until the light just turns different color, and then you can, or you should be able to find it on someone else's phone, or some new devices should be able to connect to the AirPods. So that's how it works. If you would like to reset that connection, you can always just go to Bluetooth and locate your AirPods and then just forget the device, meaning that you will have to repair them again in the future if you would like to do that. So that's how it works. As I say, there is no power on button on the AirPods or anything like that. So we try to use it this way, but as you can tell, it should be very easy and simple to pair them. So that would be about it. I honestly hope that I could help you with this. If you have more questions or thoughts you want to share, go ahead, and the comment section is right there for you. Thanks a lot, and I'll